Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy up here, back again with another video in the livestock channel. Anyways, I tried to buy this. It tastes actually like terrible. This. Here, I got it from a game. Can't clarify what sport. Classic protein bar. Celebrity sweat. Okay. Here. Oh, YouTube, do not. Whatever. Yo, what's this thing? And it tastes terrible. I nearly puked when I ate this. I ate this. I'm gonna get multi-straps or whatever. Okay, though. I'm only gonna have this amount. If I swallow it, I got it. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Guys, this is like, this thing. Okay. If you want to know what it tastes like, I don't honestly care. Copy strike me for all I care. I'm not going to get any ad revenue from this video. It is called Classic Protein Bar. Okay? Chocolate chip cookie dough. I mean, like cookie dough. I love cookie dough. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. I ate it. Yeah, guys, totally ate it. Yeah, it's not clickbait. I'm totally not clickbaiting you right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, shit. I got explode. Alright, guys, I'm laughing. Not like this is gonna be over 10 minutes. Like, I'm not even trying to stretch. I wanna. Alright, guys. Don't blame me for this camera angle. I know it's not right. I'm white AF. Wait, let me get the thumbnail. I'm scared. Yeah, I don't know how to edit, so I'm sorry if this video goes too long. It's just like, I wish you guys could smell this. This is like dog. This is dog. This is. Guys, this thing is gonna haunt me till I die if I don't eat it. If I don't eat this, you know what? You have to hit the like button if I eat this thing. And you know what though? Shout out PewDiePie. I don't know. Mama Joe. Okay. I might actually pick. Don't you want to touch me? My eyes are literally water. Guys, this is not safe. Dude, if you, oh my, oh. Yes, guys, please like and subscribe for that. I'm not even asking for too much. Just like and sub. I'm a small YouTuber and I just did that. That thing tastes like terrible. Alright, yo guys, I might as well do my outro. That was the way. No, guys, since this video is gonna get demonetized from me having peekaboo in the background. Yeah, that's what. This is a protein bar. Alright, then, no, I was gonna get demonetized. Alright, yo, see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow. I don't know. I have a football game tomorrow. May not have time. Sorry for the long wait. I have to go wash off my hands before I press this end record. I know how to cut, so don't worry. I don't know how to edit in though. Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana. Pause. So, yeah guys. See ya. And boys, peace out.